My name is Eric. I am the procurement manager. I have been here now 11 years. Oh, a typical day is questions working with teammates throughout the facility, specifically some of the leadership team and things that, and our sales, working on finding product, ordering product. Now, having been here for 11 years, I wouldn't even think about leaving. There's just too many, this is like a family. So your family away from home. We have great, great teammates. The people here are just, they can be amazing. And so the fun that we have here and the reason I love being here every day. Number one, I work with a lot of normal people. I'm not always the normalist, but I like to have fun. So it is what it is. And they all accept me for who I am. Even if I might be a little offbeat one day, it doesn't get to them. They're there to accept me the way that I am. I'm there to help them if they need it and they ask me questions. It's a fantastic day, day after day. I just don't see any reason to move on from here. Our team here has such diversity. It really is phenomenal. We've got anywhere from, we can go to Doug and Terry that are can be a lot of fun, but also very direct with their guidance. We have an HR person that is beyond most HR people. She's, how do I put it? A lot of HR people are dry. She is not, far from it. And she likes to have fun. We have a sales crew that goes beyond anyone that we ever had. We've got one of our salespeople came in, has been here for many, many years. Came into our build area, in our sales area, and has learned not only sales, but marketing, building. It's an everyday thing, learning experience between all of it. We have a general manager, sales manager. Jake is actually the owner's son, but you would never know it when you're working with him. He doesn't treat it that way. He treats every one of us like we are people. One of the things that I have a lot of pride in our company is the safety factor that we have within the facility. We're always focused on various areas of safety and keeping the well-being of every one of our coworkers at the top priority. Because of their family orientation, they want everybody to go home safe to their families. When you take a look at the company in general, all of the people that are here, our team, the material that we work with every day of the week and we build with, the knowledge, there's so many years of knowledge here. And it all stemmed from Doug and our lean manufacturing and his past experiences he's brought to all of us. Our coworkers together continue to function that way day after day. FlexCraft has so much to offer to anyone that wants to come on board. They have competitive wages. They have great benefits. We have more time off, I think, than a lot of companies do during the year. It's just phenomenal, the time off that you get. The 4-day work week, the people that you get to work with in our leadership team. I've been around the bend a few times. I've been out in the work world for, 45 years. You're just not going to go to a company and find what you do here and the understanding that you do here from everyone. You're just not. FlexCraft is a day-to-day place that you want to come to. The respect that you gain, the camaraderie that we have, the smart aleck individuals back and forth. It's in the joking around that we do day to day is absolutely phenomenal. I encourage anyone that is looking for a position to come see us. I really do, because we'd be happy to have you.